morning, I rose with the rising sun. See little birds on my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody pure and true. This is my message to you. I said, don't worry about a thing. I said, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Let's see.